Hey guys, so I love this scent. It's called Coach Dreams. So let's open it and smell the perfume inside. So I can already tell by opening the box, this perfume is a very nice bottle because from the cap is where you spray out the perfume. So it has like a very nice flower and the bottle is just like a really cute bottle. So I'm gonna spray it on my arm and rub it in. It smells like flowers, and what I personally love about it, it's like powdery. I like powdery perfumes, and it smells good, and I certainly think that if the wind was blowing on you and someone was behind you, they'd be able to smell that and they'd be like, what is that? I love that scent, you know? So that's why I like Coach Dreams perfume.